73rd Republic Day celebrations. India celebrated its 73rd Republic Day on 26 January 2022. The occasion was marked by a grand military parade at Rajpath, Delhi, showcasing the country's history, cultural diversity and strategic weapons. The biggest highlight of this year's parade was the flypast of 75 aircrafts and helicopters as India celebrates the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav 75 years of independence. A mega drone show of 1,000 drones dazzled the skies on 29 January during the Beating the Retreat ceremony at Vijay Chowk in the national capital as part of Republic Day celebrations 2022. India became the fourth country in the world after Britain, Russia and China to dazzle 1,000 drones in the sky during the Beating Retreat ceremony.